My name is Axel Henry. I'm the Chief of Police for the St. Paul Police Department. I want to thank everyone for being here today. First and foremost, I want to start like I always do with thanking everyone who actually took this promotional test. Taking promotions is not an easy process. It can be kind of scary for some folks. You get really good at your job and you like what you're doing, but taking that next step up is taking another step in responsibility. A lot of people confuse it with more authority, more money, things like that, but really it's about taking on more responsibility, and that's what real leadership is about. So thank you again for being here. We're here to recognize and promote Sergeant Lertu. He's our first Corinne Sergeant for the St. Paul Police Department and possibly for the entire state. So let's welcome him up to the front, please. So we talk about firsts. And we're trying to get to a point where we don't have any firsts anymore, but these are very important because it's not just important that our community sees themselves in these uniforms, but as we bring on new officers, they need to see themselves ascending through our ranks so they know that they're wanted, needed, and appreciated and valued at those positions. So a very quick bio here. Lur was born in the Burman area and immigrated to Thailand, where he lived in a refugee camp until 2009. I want you to keep that number, 2009, in your head. He has 3 brothers and 1 sister. His parents still live on the east side of St. Paul, where I spent most of my career, so thank you for being there. He graduated from Como High School. He is married and has 3 children. Everyone who gets promoted gets to input some information they want me to share. So I think it's great that he's been going to Spartan Martial Arts for the past 3 years and is currently a blue belt. So let's give him a little credit for that. In his spare time, he likes to spend time with his wife and children. Again, he lists his training with Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. In addition, and again, I want you to keep that 2009 in mind. He started his career with our police department in 2011 as a police explorer. This is a great example of how we try to create processes and inputs for young people in our community to see a path and a way to join our police department. It's a real success story for us. He was hired as a CLO for us in 2012, and he graduated from our police academy in 2014. So I'm going to flash back to that 2009 number. In 2009, he went from living in a refugee camp to now being promoted to sergeant or being a police officer in that short a period of time. We stand here today in 2024, 5 years from that ascension from a refugee camp. 15 years he went from being in a refugee camp to being a sergeant for the St. Paul Police Department. That alone, if it does not give you the inspiration to go out and do great things in your life, you're hard-pressed to find a better example. Lur has worked in our Central District and our Forensic Services Unit. He's currently assigned to our Traffic and Pedestrian Safety Unit, but he's going to be going back to the Forensic Services Unit very soon. During his career, he has received a unit citation, a unit letter of recognition, a medal of commendation, 2 letters of recognition, and many, many thank you letters. Today, I have the distinct honor of being able to pin on his new sergeant's badge. Congratulations. This is the hardest part, because if he's wearing a shirt that doesn't have a hole in it.
I made a hole for you.
Appreciate that. I'll let you do the rock.
Thank you.
Sir, a few words?
Sure. I am a little bit nervous, so please bear with me here. First, I'd like to thank God for everything that He has done for me and my family. It's been a great experience so far for me. I thank Him for everything. And thank you, Chief, for the opportunity. I am honored to be promoted and excited to take on more responsibility. As the Chief stated, I started my career as a St. Paul Police Explorer, moved on, and I've worked with St. Paul since. Throughout my career, a lot of you that are here and a lot of you that are not here today have helped me, support me, and you were there for me when I needed help. And I appreciate your support and I'm grateful that you are with me and you're by my side. And I have with me today community leaders, reverends from First Korean Baptist Church that I go, and leaders from the Korean organizations of Minnesota. Thank you for being here. I know it was a short notice that was notified by Kazia. Yeah, but thank you for being with me today. I also have my family members, my in-laws, my grandma, my mom and my dad, my brother and my uncle and my sister-in-law. They're here with me today. They're a huge, big part of my life. I thank them for their support, and I ask that they continue to support me in my career, and so that I can go on from here. Yeah, so currently I am assigned to the Traffic and Pedestrian Unit. It's been a great month and a half with them. I loved it there, but I am happy to go back to the Forensic Service Unit, and I hope that I can continue my career there, learn new skills, and improve my experience from there. And I almost forgot. I thank my wife and for being here with me today. She sacrificed her career and chose to be a stay-at-home mom so she can take care of me and our 3 kids. And as many of you know, I eat at least 5 meals a day, and she's my cook. So, and she's not only my cook, but she's also my barber and my hairdresser. Thank you for everything. And I thank each and every one of you that are here today. I ask that you continue to support me, and thank you. Again, thanks for being here today.
I said it as well. He said, thank you for this opportunity. But I'm going to ask you something. When he goes to that jiu-jitsu gym and he's down on the mats, do you think they gave him a blue belt? No. He went out and he earned it. We thank you for coming out and earning this promotion, and we thank you for taking on more responsibility. Congratulations.